The roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing different slots in both years. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy. She thought it too much. Myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit.
If you're looking for a protective style, but you also want it to look like your natural hair, you need these clip-ins from CurlsQueen. They were kind enough to send over some kinky curly clip-ins, and I was a little nervous because, you know, I just feel like kinky curly, I assumed that my hair wouldn't be able to match this. But to be quite honest with y'all, this was the best match curly hair that I think I could have received. They sent over some kinky curly hair. And when you receive these clip-ins, they are very like some tight, short curls. But once you go in and wash them, the curls become longer. It's like you're stretching the curls. So I went in with some Aunt Jackie's shampoo and then some random conditioner, nothing special. And this hair really, really surprised me, y'all. The shine, the luster, the quality, it literally reminded me of my own natural hair, but in a longer version. I will leave everything linked down below in terms of how many pieces that they sent me. I think I received 2 5-clip pieces, 2 4-clip pieces, and 4 2-clip. I don't remember, but I will leave everything linked down below. If you are an OG, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I dislike my natural hair because I feel like it's kind of hard to deal with. So if you're looking for an easy and quick style, especially my girls like me who don't know how to braid, you don't even need to know how to braid, girl. You can just literally slap your hair in a ponytail, put your clip-ins in, and go about your business. This specific day, I was going on a date. And this was actually the first time that I was going to meet the guy. So I was kind of like nervous and I needed my hair to come out right. And CurlsQueen really did their things. These clip-ins were absolutely beautiful. And the guy that I went on the date with, you know, of course, he has probably assumed that it was my natural hair, but it wasn't. It wasn't, y'all. But this tutorial is super, super easy. Thank you again to CurlsQueen for sending over these gorgeous clip-ins. I will leave everything linked down below, like I said. And I highly recommend CurlsQueen clip-ins and their bundles because, I mean, like, no one is doing curls like CurlsQueen, y'all. I'm telling you, affordability, quality, everything. 10 out of 10.
Don't give up. Not the bump in the road, but I know things get tough. Can I work on myself? Will you promise not to go? I'll keep up. We've been riding for miles, but I know it ain't enough. I've been holding you back, but I won't do that no more. Can I just be honest, baby? Can I just be honest, babe? Honest with you. Whichever way we turn, I'ma handle it for us. As a matter of fact, we ain't losing anymore. Can I just be the rise. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time. Emotions running high. I wish you felt alright. Just hitting my line all the time. All the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time. All the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. We can't move finesse. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hot to handle. Things will get canceled. I won't make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. We can't move finesse. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. 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 On my mind, stay on my mind.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing different slots in both ways. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got a toys. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep and shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some